Hi folks, I'm very excited for today's unboxing. I've just bought the Pixel 7a from Amazon, so I'm very excited to get this open. It's about time I had a new phone, so let's go. From Amazon, I have opened it just because my address was on it. I just wanted to make sure that everything was in the box as expected. So standard Amazon box, very well packaged. I'm assuming this would be the case no matter which phone you're buying from Amazon, but just as a note, Amazon do always pack their stuff really well. And the phone is well packaged on its own within that box as well. Let's crack this bad boy open! And here we are. So what I did forget to mention is I bought the Pixel 7a combo with charger. So in this box we've got the phone wrapped in film and we've got the charger here as well, sealed with polystyrene, whatever you want to call it. So let's take this sleeve off. Oh, lovely. Look how thin this phone box is. It's not clunky like any of the other Pixels that I've had, so that's really nice. I think that's a sign of things to come with the actual size of the phone. So let's tidy up. Okay, all opened. So the charger doesn't come with a cable. The charging box for a start has got wrapped charger plug. I will unwrap that in a second. Inside the box, again, very well packaged. I love Google packaging. You've got your warranty and your instruction card in the box, and that's it. So the cable does come with the phone, so let's just have a quick look. The tab is really good just to get the phone out without dropping it everywhere. I love a nice pristine brand new phone, and it looks so sleek as well. Okay, so we've got our adapter, charging USB to USB-C if you need that. Here's the cable. There's your pin for the SIM card transfer, and instruction booklets. How much do you think I'm going to read, really? Warranty card as well if you need it, and nice little thin box.